good morning. Welcome to another episode or a new episode of my Mons by Corner. Haven't really done any episodes lately. This is actually again hi, good morning, guardhouse. A camera and equipment test ride. I don't know how it will look like. Parang merong screen dito sa harap, pero taas na kasi ng araw, tanghali na. It's already almost 10 o'clock. Just doing a short ride, village to village ride lang around my area, just to test the equipment. The cameras, if they're still working, tama ba yung mga angles ko, yung ganun ba. Going out of the village, and going to the, well, it's another village pero main thoroughfare siya. Hindi siya gated. It's a village I grew up in. Ngayon hindi na siya gated. The main roads have been open to the public. So here we are. Busy street. Kahit na Sunday. I mean, it's even busy here on a weekday. Weekend ngayon. May dedicated bike lane, pero syempre everyone is, lalo pag traffic dito dadaan yung mga motor, and share the road pare. Steady lang. Okay, we're in the more interior road, still part of the main thoroughfare. Daming motor. Yung talaga way back in the day, this area hardly any cars going around. Kasi talagang tahimik dito. Well, of course, standards na Pusimon. I'm talking about the 80s and the early 90s. Maluwag pa to. Actually, I remember back then nagrereklamo na nga kami. Nagtatraffic na. Pero now, grabe, to pass here on a weekday, it's really horrendous. Hindi siya enjoyable kahit nakamotor ka, nakabike ka, whatever. Pero wala, ito meron tayo, diba? That's progress. So let's keep on riding. Okay? Ito, this road I'm in right now, super noisy, super busy, super tight. Back then, walang tao dito on a weekday. Hardly. In fact, may mga nagkakakarera pa nga dito sa area na to back then. Way back when, kasi nga tahimik dito, walang kotse, puro bukid to dati. Ngayon, it's full of may condo units dito sa kaliwa. Tapos ito, merong mga lubak, talir, merong bahay ba to or whatever, may malaking gate, could be. Marami ng establishments also. This is a shortcut going to the other village, which is here on the right. Oh, sorry, on the left. So may mga pocket villages here, both right and left. Dati dinadaanan ko tong shortcut na to get to the other area of Parañaque. Ito, papunta munisipyo ng Parañaque. Dito sa kanan. Dati pagdating mo dito, wala nang kakotse-kotse, wala nang kabahay-bahay. This house here on the right, it has been there since I can remember. Pero all this was grasslands. And here where we're entering, going to the village I grew up in. Ito tong area na to. Wala yung building na yan. Puro ano to, vacant lots, grasslands. Then when you turn here to the left, ito dirt road na to, tas puro palayan dito sa kanan. Ganun to dati. Ngayon, as you can see, it's full of houses. And as you enter that area there, it has become as I think I've heard some people say or call it, this is now mission area. Ito, ano to, bukid to. This was dirt road, trail, as would call it. Fire road or gravel road. Ngayon, tinan mo siya. Punong-puno na ng bahay na tao. It's both amazing at the same time sad because nga nawala na yung nature. Mga puno, pinutol. But then again, that's progress. So we say. So it's a choice about balance between progress and nature. Sana lang magkaroon pa rin tayo ng nature places. Alam ko sa Philinvest meron. Ang Philinvest, that's their thrust to their thrust is health, wellness, and nature. Napapasok na tayo dito sa area where I grew up. I'm now inside the village where I grew up in. May nagbebenta pa ng ice cream ba to? O sometimes ice syrup. This is how we were before, pero ano nga, scramble ata yun. Bang iba na. Still nice, but it's way different. I remember, ayun nga, ito, the houses were, well, siyempre, they were new then, and maraming ang open fields. If you go straight down there, dati puro open fields yan. Ngayon, hindi na, puro bahay. And then there's an area that's been closed off for security, kasi marami daw, parang marami na raw yata nakawan. And this is the area of one of the main roads in this village. Tahimik ngayon kasi Sunday. Well, tahimik naman talaga sa area na to. Maganda pa rin. Brings back a lot of memories. A lot of friends' houses, left and right. Some of them are still here. Some of them have gone abroad. Some of them have moved out. So, yung bahay na lang tira. So, yun. Ito, we're coming up to a place. Ito to, this one with green tegula tiles na awning, and then there's a red iron gate. Friend of mine owns that. Tinman may Japanese characters sa ibabaw. He sells and collects vintage bikes. Most of them are Japanese. They're nice. May road bikes, even may mga old Cannondales and Kleins. That's what he does. Hopefully one of these days we'll be able to cover that. I told him about that, pero never got around to doing it. Hopefully magawa natin. Okay, let's keep on moving. Ito, itong street na to. This is where where we grew up na we don't like passing the street kasi itong street na to punong-puno ng mga aso na nanghahabol. So, takot ka sa aso, baka makagat ka. So, when we pass this street, either tahimik na tahimik kami, mabilis kami. There were hardly any cars on the road. Unlike now, parang parking lot na yung lugar. Okay, now we're entering the street where I really grew up in. We moved here when I was 5 years old. Christmas of 1974. This is our house, old house here. This one with the gray gate. night during Christmas. Oh yeah, this is God Brother kung yung mga parol na sa labas. That's what my grandfather used. So yun. At night, pagka Christmas season, puno-puno ng ilaw yung street namin. Okay, so this is a basketball court na kayo. Dito sa right side ko. Covered court na siya, dati open yan. And then behind it was open fields before, rice field siya. That was the Fatima Park. Every first Saturday, may mass dyan. So, malamang, last night may mass. So, syempre, marian tayo. We featured. There still is, pero hindi na ganun. This was quiet. Tree covered. Ngayon, busy na siya. Kaya tree covered pa rin konti. Pero siguro because of the storms. I remember, sa time na pagsakan yung mga puno. So, hindi na siya nagpatay. A little bit more coming up. This is the gate of the village. That's it. Okay. Mainit na. It's 11 o'clock. We're a little past halfway done. I'm coming up now to our parish, or the parish church I grew up in. Didn't really attend much masses in this parish. We would attend or hear mass in another church. But later on in the 90s, I became part of a religious group in this parish, Antioch. It's a Mary of Christians Parish National Shrine. So, Jubilee Church siya. Yun, medyo climb siya rito. Pero okay naman. Banayad. Oo, talagang mahina lang ako. Dahil di na ako nagbabike. So, this is National Shrine of Mary of Christians.
Sinasamo namin kaming magsasalo-salo sa katawan at
Solutions
ay mabuklod sa pagkakaisa sa pamamagitan ng Espiritu Santo.
Siyempre,
Ama, lingapin mo ang iyong simbahang laganap sa buong daigdig. Puspusin mo kami sa pag-ibig.
Again, this place has changed so much.
Kalabing-apat na aming Papa ni Jesse na aming obispo at ng Kanang Kaparian. Alalahanin mo rin mga kapatid naming nakilay na may marasa sila muling mabubuhay.
So let's get moving.
Kaya din ang lahat na mga pumanaw.
Okay, so we're in the main road going back to my village. So yeah, may car wash, syempre Sunday, palinis kotse. May nagkakaraoke doon. It's getting cloudy, which is good. It's mainit. Thank you, Lord. It got malilim. Thank you talaga. So Ayan. Going back. More than halfway through my short test ride with the equipment and the body. Kasi nga, yun, pininahan tayo nung mabait na scooter. Mahilig siya talagang ganon. Kasi pati yung tricycle kinap niya. Yan. Be careful lang, guys, when riding on busy streets or busy roads. Kasi may mga tao walang pakialam minsan. Buti nga yun, bumusina pa eh. Pero masikip talaga yung lugar eh. But there are people who have a tendency kasi na magmabilis kahit na masikip ang lugar. Kaya ingat lang tayo. Wala naman tayo sa posisyon hulihin sila o pagsabihan sila. Kaaway lang tayo. Hindi natin kailangan. So, caution lang. Alright. And dun sa mga ibang motorista, as you can see, ganun yung pinahan yung mga tao. So, ingat lang guys. Yun lang po. Pati sa mga nagmamotor. Share the road po tayo. Alright? Okay. Okay, so we're inside the village now, my village, right here. As you can see, there are familiar areas where I've taken pictures in my post. Puro stills lang ako in the past using, well, may mga short clips. So ngayon lang ako nag-talkies ulit. It's nice. I mean, again, na-inspire ako with other vloggers. Thank you guys. More power to all of us. You know, just sharing our life. Sharing what we love to do. Ako, hindi naman ako athlete. Far from it. I just like riding my bike. That's it. Not even that. Sinubukan ko mag-try athlete. Nag-try ako maging athlete. Pero wala. It's just not me. I guess. Yeah, it's just not me. I felt that it took away the fun in what I do. Eh, yun na nga lang yung saya mo, di ba? So, kanya-kanyang trip lang yan. I'm not saying that masama yun. It's just not me. It's just not for me. So, there are people who really love to do that, and that's cool. More power to them. Ako, okay na akong ganito. Bike. Simple lang. Ganun lang. Okay, let's keep on riding. So with the clouds, it cooled the hot air and the burning heat, but it brings with it a little rainfall. So it's starting to rain, pero okay pa naman. Ngayon naka raincoat na tayo. Tapos kanina pala, hindi ko na-stop yung chest cam. So, ni-restart ko ulit. Hopefully, may baterya pa. Tsaka, well, konti lang naman. Anyway, as I passed by the other church, yung church sa village, yung sabi nung nagbibigay ng seminar yata yun. Kasi tapos na yung misa na i-flood nga natin yung social media ng good vibes. Yan. Kasi ang dami ng negative eh. Hindi naman sa nag-o-ostrich tayo na we don't look at the negative. It's there. Without us looking at it, we'll know it. We feel it in our everyday lives. So, ngayon, for those na makakita nitong vlog na to, na meron kayong kakayanan or kapasidad na magawa ng paraan, sana po magawa natin ng paraan or makakilos tayo towards that direction o sa direction na yun. Tayo naman na karaniwang tao, simpleng tao, simpleng mamamayan, dasal talaga, and do our Small part. Kasi kahit na maliit pa yan, hindi insignificant yan. So, ripple effect yan. Yung maliit na ginawa mong kagandahan, lumalaki yan. So, that's what you can do. Right? Okay, let's keep on pedaling. Ayan, kita mo? Katulad nitong kasalubong natin. One way to. Pinasok niya yung street. Ay, nako. Kita niyo yun? One way. Pinasok niya. Mga ganon. Diba? Iwasan natin yung mga ganon kahit na walang tao. Sabi nga nila, a person's true nature, a person's true good nature is seen or is evident when that person continues to do good even when no one's looking. Diba? Yun. So yun lang. So let's keep on pedaling. Kung kanina dun sa village I grew up in, masaya kasi yung mga pangalan ng street, mga terms of joy, gaiety, bliss, happiness, delight, merriment. Dito naman puro ibon, cardinal, bluebird, oriole, yun, mga pangalan dito. So we're coming up to the park area. We'll do a sort of like faux drone fee when we get there. Okay. Okay, so we'll finish the vlog here in the park with again the Mary Help of Christians image, statue, and the risen Christ there in the background. So for the Bosconian fans, as you know, yan yung ano natin, patrons natin. So thank you again for watching Mon's Bike Corner. See you on the next vlog. Hopefully I can continue on making new vlogs, going to new places, helping people, live life to the fullest and give glory to God. Thank you and God bless. See ya.